to show you how to play Somewhere My Love. It's Laura's theme from Dr. Zhivago. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that melody. It's a beautiful Russian sounding melody. It's in the key of G and we start on a B. B, D, A sharp, B, F sharp, A, G, D, D flat, C, C, D, E, F sharp. F sharp is in the key of G. So you got an F sharp all the way through. E, D, C sharp, D, C, B. Back down to B, D, A sharp, B, F sharp, A, G, D, D flat, C, C, D, E, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, C. Now the first time you go E, D, D, C sharp, D. Here we go E, D, C sharp, C, A, G. In the chorus E, G, A, G, F sharp, G, E, D, D, F, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, A, B flat, C. So there you have the melody all the way through. It doesn't really change. It just repeats with different words. And on the left hand, we're going to go G, D, G, G, D, and G, and then G, B, and D. Then you have the whole chord. Now the chord is G, B, D. So I'm going to play open fifth. Then I'm going to play the chord, and then we'll go to the D. D. Now your D chord is D, F sharp, A. Here I'm just going to play the D and the A and D, again open fifth. Then we go right to an A, E, G. Now your A chord is your A minor with a seventh chord is what we're implying here because we've got the C right here. So we've got the whole chord, and then when we add that D in there, we've got a non-harmonic note that's a passing tone back to the D. And with the D this time, we'll have a seventh chord, D with the A and the C. Your D, A sharp, A, C. But we've got the F sharp up here. So we've got the whole chord. Then back to the A, and all I'll do is I'll play a D and a G. So I won't even play a chord there, just so the D chord will be implied between by the D and the bass, and we're back to the G, and then we do it again. G and B, D, D, A and D, A, E, G, D, A, C, A, D, G, D, F. Now there I'm going to play a seventh chord. I'm going to play that seventh chord to give that, to lead you to the C chord that starts the chorus. So let me play that for opening thing, and don't take it too slowly the first time through and the second time through. Then on the tag verse, the third time through, I slow it down a little bit. Then it just repeats back again. Now for the chorus, you already know the melody, so here's the bass. C, E, G, C chord, da da da, C, E, G, G, D, G. Now we go to a B flat chord, B flat, D, F, B flat chord, F, C, F, B flat, D, D. So what we're doing there at the end of the chorus, we'll come out of this B flat chord. Now Now B flat chord is black, white, white. B flat, D, F. Then we're going to go, when we hit this A, I'm going to hit an open F and C in the bass. Now that gives me the full F chord, F, A, C. Then we're going to go to a B flat. Now to go from the F, C to the B flat chord, all I'm going to do is change this C to a B flat and a D. That gives me the F, B flat, D. Gives me the B flat chord with the B flat in the middle. And then to set up that, just hit a D, E flat, D in the bass right there, and you're ready to go back to the second verse. And don't hesitate to have little breaks in the middle. You can have little breaks in there. The same thing I did here. And we played through the second verse. The second verse is just the same, nothing different. And same thing with the chorus, same stuff, just different words. And in the tag chorus, I'll take it more slowly, more emotionally. Slow it down a little bit as you get to the end. So what we do there at the end, you slow it down. Hold that C and the D a little bit right there. And then A, G, and then the G arpeggio kicks in. G, D, G, A, B, D, G, A, B. And then roll the B, the G chord, D, G, B. There you have it, Somewhere My Love, Lara's theme from Dr. Zhivago. I hope you enjoy playing it.